Good morning. I'm Amanda, one of the nurses here at the clinic. How are you today?
Hi, I'm doing all right, thank you. I'm here for my child's vaccination appointment.
Great, and just to confirm, this is for your 2-year-old, Elizabeth, correct?
Yes, that's right.
Perfect. I've had a look at Elizabeth's records, and it seems like we're up to date so far. Today's vaccination will help ensure your little one stays protected from several serious diseases. Before we continue, do you have any concerns or questions?
Actually, I'm not sure why we need to keep giving these vaccinations. My child is already 2, and I thought most of the important vaccines were given earlier.
That's a really good question. While many important vaccines are given during the first year of life, some diseases, like measles, mumps, and rubella, require additional doses to boost your child's immunity as they grow. The vaccines your child is scheduled for today are essential for long-term protection, ensuring their immune system can continue to fight off these infections.
I see, but I'm still worried about the side effects. Are these vaccines really safe?
I completely understand your concerns. Vaccines undergo rigorous testing to ensure they are safe and effective, especially for young children. Most side effects are very mild, like a sore arm, a slight fever, or feeling a bit tired for a day or two. Serious reactions are extremely rare, and the benefits of protecting your child from dangerous diseases far outweigh the minimal risks involved.
I'm not sure. Could we possibly delay the vaccination? Maybe wait until Elizabeth is a bit older?
I understand why you might want to wait, but delaying vaccines can leave your child vulnerable to infections during this critical time. Some of the diseases we vaccinate against, like measles, can be very severe in young children. The best way to protect Elizabeth is to stay on schedule so their immune system is as strong as possible.
But what if my child feels pain or gets sick afterward? I've heard some children feel really unwell after vaccines.
It's completely normal to feel a little concerned about that. Most children might cry or feel discomfort for a moment after the injection, but it's over very quickly. As for reactions, mild fever or slight tiredness can happen, but it usually goes away within a day or two. We'll keep an eye on Elizabeth for a short time after the vaccine, just to make sure everything's fine before you leave.
Okay, that makes sense. I just want to make sure Elizabeth is safe and healthy.
Absolutely. Keeping up with vaccinations is one of the best things you can do to ensure your child stays healthy. We're here to support you throughout the process and answer any questions you have. After the vaccination today, we'll provide you with some information on what to expect, and we're always just a phone call away if you have any concerns later on.
All right, I think I feel a bit better about it now. Let's go ahead with the vaccination.
That's great to hear. I'll prepare everything for you. And just before we start, if you have any other questions or need more information, feel free to ask.
No, I think you've explained everything really well. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Let's go ahead and get Elizabeth vaccinated. It'll be quick and easy, I promise.